Welcome back, and in today's tech tip I'll be showing you how to turn off predictive text, also known as the suggestion strip, on the Google keyboard. So whether you're using Google keyboard on your Android phone or on your iPhone, here's how to turn off predictive text. And predictive text on the Google keyboard is known as suggestion strip. It's this strip of suggestions up here, or predictions. So as you type, you can see there are suggestions here that you can use like that if you don't want to type. So to turn those off, to turn predictive text off, what you need to do is go to settings. And to go to your Gboard settings, tap on this button right here to give you this menu, and then tap on the settings wheel icon here. And that should take you to your Gboard settings page. Now here, just go to text correction, and then you'll see show suggestion strip. You can disable that, and that's going to turn off predictive text. Okay, so now you can see as you type, there's no suggestion strip at the top. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.